Alright, so I bet y'all excited for this. Here's the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window air conditioner. For the first time doing a first startup of it. Right there's the fan. I just shut that off because I just want to hear the sound, but it's got a Welling fan motor, as you can see. Welling, and it's got a Quiggin compressor. I just wish it was a GMCC. And there's the reversing valve. It's a heat pump. So, and this is my second air conditioner that I have. It's a Frigidaire. So, right there is my root again. It's door's blocking it. So, yeah, let's do this first startup of it. Just gonna put this right here so that you can hear it. Not bad, actually. Not pretty bad. There's the reversing valve. You can't even hear that compressor. It's pretty much satisfying with those. Yep, you can't even hear that compressor. So, pretty nice looking unit. Alright, I'm gonna shut that off right now. And put it on. That's cool. There's the fan that's actually blue. I don't know why. So, I'm about to fix it right now. Right there's the energy guide. That's the yearly cost, $21. Okay. So, yep. Okay, so I put in the screws on this thing. There's only one more screw left, and that's it. Alright, so yeah, I guess just need to read the more instructions over here. To be honest, I don't even know what this one's for. It's just that I never had a window air conditioner before. So, yep. And let's see what this one's for. So I'll be back whenever I'm done fixing the other parts.